Light to moderate rainfall occurred in Goa on 10 December at around 11 pm. There was no large change in the minimum temperature and it was normal. Will it rain today also in the state? Let's find it out. According to IMD Goa, rainfall at isolated places is very likely on 11 December. From 12 December onwards, weather is very likely to be dry over Goa, but rainfall likely to continue over parts of central and north Konkan. Light to moderate rain, thunder shower very likely at isolated places on 11 December. Weather is very likely to be dry on 12th, 13th, 14th and 15th December. There is no weather warning for next 5 days starting from 11 December 2020, IMD Goa has reported. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.